अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर व्लॉग। होपफुली आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। सो टुडे आई एम टेकिंग यू टू कतारा विलेज एंड विच इज द वन ऑफ द बेस्ट विजिटिंग प्लेस इन दोहा, कतर। सो it has art galleries, mosque, and Katara beach. So let's see what we can cover in our in vlog. So let's go. So today, now we are going to metro station to reach our destination. So the metro station here in Qatar is same as like metro station in China. You can see. So we have a card here. We will scan it at metro scanner. So as you can see here. So now we will go downstairs. So now we are at Mashrib station, and now we have to go to Katara station, and we have to change our line. I came here from Mansoura station to Mashrib, and Mashrib is a downtown. We have to change trains, metro lines from here to another place where we want to go. So now I will change my line from green to red, and let's go. So now we are at Katara station, and we are going out from here to Katara. The Katara gallery, and here it is. So unfortunately it's night view. I should came in morning so I can show you the beautiful view of Katara. So let's see what we can record now. So it is the outside view of Katara village, sorry, Katara gallery, as you can see. So inside here is same as like the shopping malls. We will have different brands outlet inside, so it will take some times to visit. So leave it, and we have to cover different places. Also, Katara village, and I think Katara beach if I have time. So now I am at the front side of Katara Hills, and I am even looking for Katara village. Let's first visit that Katara Hills, and I am really sorry for it because I am recording it in night, and the view is for the daylight. And as I told you about it, that the weather in Qatar is too hot and there's too much humidity. As you can see, sweating on my face. So let's go and find a way to climb up on the hills. Uh, and I asked someone about the way to Katara village, and so as I found a way to climb up on the hills, and I think the Katara village is also here. So let's go upside. So let's go to the upside first, as I said. So now I am at the hill, but it's like a park, so it's too dark, and you will also not see it clearly. So I think here will be our top point from where we can record some beautiful glimpse. Let's see. So now we are at Katara beach, and you can see boats here, and one boat inside the river, if you can see. And there is the Corniche and West Bay and some other places. So now we are here at that place, and here is the private resort, as I was at the backside. And now here you can see the Katara beach, and here is the village. So let's go. So it's like an auditorium, but it's open area, You can see the sky. Sorry. And let's go at that side. Then we will go to that side. So now we are here at Katara village side. You can see here, and here is the place. And here is the construction going on, and there is too noise. So let's go at that side. So here is a restaurant. So here is a place, and you can see it's inside the Katara village. And go at that side. Uh, so now we are here at Qatar Photography Center. You can see in Katara village, and here you can see some good pictures. And there are some also good pictures here. So they have installed or put some good pictures here in their photography center, and they all are best pictures in my point of view. And let's go at that side. And there is a painting session area, and they have some installed some good paintings here. We can see. They all are. So let's go outside and find some different other beautiful places. So firstly we will have to find exiting point. So here is an exiting point. So now we are again at Katara village, as I show you. And here is also some paintings that I can show you from outside the gate. So now we are going inside the Arab Postal Stamps Museum. I hope you can see here the Katara Arab Postal Stamps Museum. So let's go inside. Here. So here you will see different Arab postal stamps. There is a lightning issue. I hope you can see. These all are postal stamps. So that's what I told you that I will show you is the cinema, and here we also have a mosque, and I will show you the inside. And here we have a I think it's called Golden Penguin, and I cannot show you properly because it's a night time, and again sorry for it. And here we have a Katara cinema, and let's see if we can go inside or not. So here is a place. So here we are at Katara Mosque. So as you can see that here is a huge part of Katara village. I don't know where from it starts and from where it ends, but at backside here we had Katara beach, and I am even looking for Katara Gallery from where I came, because there is a metro station near to the Katara Gallery, so I will have to find it through again Google Map. So let's go and find the Katara Gallery, and then I will close my vlog there, because the vlog will be too lengthy if I cover all the places of the Katara, and the audience don't like too much lengthy vlog. So let's see when we will find the Katara Gallery. So now I am again here at Katara Gallery, as you guys can see, and I will take subway from here and I will go at that side. So now I'm going to end my vlog here. I hope you guys will like it and you guys will share it to your family, to your friends, and stay connected with me for more. So